Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Next, firmly insert the gas lift into the base. Place the cover over the gas lift. Place the seat cushion upside down on top of the backrest as shown here. Start by connecting one armrest to your backrest. Do not fully tighten the screws at this point. Then connect the armrest to the seat cushion. Do not fully tighten the screws at this point. Flip your seat over to attach the second arm. Do not fully tighten the screws at this point. Next, connect your backrest to the bottom of the seat cushion using the included L-bar screws. Make sure the arrow on the mechanism is facing the front of the seat cushion. Line up your mechanism with the screw holes on the bottom of the seat cushion. With a Phillips screwdriver, firmly tighten each screw in an alternating cross fashion. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Now, tighten the screws in an alternating pattern. Firmly press the arm caps into the screw holes. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift.